Many of you are confused between the types of the simple permanent tissue. So as you know that simple permanent tissue in case of the plants are parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Okay, so here is a comparison between all these three, and I have also attached some picture here so that you can see clearly. Okay, so what is the parenchyma? Parenchyma is made up of thin walled cell, as you can see here. Okay, and what is the component that is present in the parenchyma? In the cell wall of the parenchyma there is a component called cellulose that is present. Okay, they have large prominent vacuoles, you can see here, these are the vacuoles. Okay, and next is they have intercellular space also, that is why they are loosely packed. You can say these are the intercellular spaces that is present between the cells of the parenchyma. Okay, and where it is present, they are present at the soft part of the plant, like the roots and the ground tissues and also the cortex. Okay, so what is its function? It actually stores the food and the waste products. Okay, so this is the main function of the parenchyma. So two major things that you have to remember, that they are the thin walled cell and they have cellulose in their body. Okay, and they are loosely packed. So these are the three important points that you can remember about the parenchyma. Next is collenchyma. Okay, they are made up of living cells only, but they have thickened cell wall. Why they have thickened cell wall? Because along with the cellulose, they have the deposition of pectin in them also. Okay, so their cell wall has cellulose and pectin, these two components. So that is why their cell wall is somehow thick. Okay, and they have small vacuoles, you can see here, these are the small vacuoles present in the collenchyma. Okay, and the intercellular space is very small. You can again see in the picture that intercellular space is very less compared to the parenchyma itself. Okay, where it is present on the epidermis of the epidermis is the outermost layer, right? So in the epidermis of the dicot stem and also on the midrib of the leaves, dicot leaves. Okay, it is present. So what is its function is to support the like the mechanical support and also for the flexibility. Okay, so collenchyma is providing the mechanical support to the plant itself. Okay, last is the sclerenchyma, which is made up of dead thick walled cells. That is why you can see the color is also different. Okay, why? Because they have lignified cell wall, they do not have cellulose, so they have thick lignified cell wall. That is why they are dead also, and they lack the vacuoles as they are dead cells, and intercellular space is totally absent. Okay, they are tightly packed cells. Okay, so where it is found in the hard parts of the plant, like the seed coats and also the veins of the leaves. These are the parts where you can find the sclerenchyma itself. And last, the function of it is to provide the mechanical support and maximum strength to the any part